Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm. If you're shopping for window film and you feel overwhelmed about all the choices you have to make because you want to know which one slows heat down the most, I'm going to help you. I have a heat box and I have a heat sheet, and it's sensitive to heat. We're going to put a competitor's window film in front of our window film, and we're going to figure out which one slows down heat the best. In this comparison, we're going to show the SunTek CIR 20 ceramic, and we're going to compare it to the Nanoflex 20 ceramic. And we're going to see which one slows heat down the most by the heat sheet. Here we go. Wow, if you want performance like that, just give us a call or visit our website, www.flexfilmplus.com.